Hey guys. Well, I'm sorry if you didn't hear any cheering for, like I do for the intro and the outro. And, where I usually do exciting parts, and with my voice of, energy. But, well, the real reason is when I got back home from work, I did happen to stumble upon, it says, one of the Kobe Bryant's daughter confirmed dead in a helicopter crash. It says R.I.P. Black Mamba, but, I just stumbled around, and then I looked up one of the videos saying Kobe Bryant died at age 41 in a helicopter crash. Yeah, well, that's the reason why I'm not full of energy today for the sports talk. Kobe Bryant. I almost said Kofi Kingston, But, this is a shock. Not just for the NBA, but this is also a shocking and tragic moment for the world of sports. Like in NASCAR and NFL, MLB, and everything. It's just, this is, yeah. I didn't want to do this, but, I got to anyway, but Kobe, it's true, Kobe Bryant and his daughter, his second born daughter, have died in a helicopter crash along with 4 people in California. Yeah, let's say I didn't want to, but it's my job to do it anyways, because, yeah, and one of the coaches spoke out, and, yeah, I'm still in the disbelief over Kobe Bryant's death. Yeah, like it, I'm sorry, everyone, it's just, yeah, and usually in closing I do the cheering and the, fight, win. The cheer, fight, win. But this one, I'm not gonna do that. Either you like him or you dislike him. You all have to admit he was one of the best NBA players in history, But, but I hope NBA, on TNT comes back, because, they'll talk about, they'll pay tribute to Kobe Bryant. Yeah, I guess it also not just devastated everyone in the NBA, but everyone in the entire sports community, including his fans, like I say, I'm just shooken up a bit. All right, guys. I know this is I'm just shook up. It's just, this is, I'm sorry if I was stubborn because of the death of Kobe Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter. And the other 4 people. And I'll just say, usually I say everything's going to be okay. But today, No. 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 It's not okay, you know? Just, no, this is tragic. Yeah, we all usually make jokes about Kofi Kingston. Kobe Bryant, again, sorry. Just shook up, but, you know, the jokes aside, this is a serious matter. You know? So I haven't felt this ever since Big Papi was shot. No, but unlike Big Papi, he actually, you know, was okay. Well, you know, I mean, you know, Big Papi, he was lucky that he recovered, but this one I'm giving you, unfortunately, I can't say the same thing about Kobe Bryant and a helicopter crash. Like I say, I can't say the same thing. Okay, guys, that's gonna do about it for sports talk. And again, I just want to send out his prayers to his wife and his 2 daughters. Just, you know, sending my condolences to his wife Vanessa and his 2 surviving daughters. So, Black Mamba, so Kobe, thank you, man. Thank you for, you know, for proving your haters wrong, and also, you know, thank you for sending the gold medals to, of course, you know, the USA, to Team USA for Beijing and London. No. And also, thank you for, you know, for being one of the best NBA players in history. And also, rest in peace, Black Mamba. We're all gonna miss you very much, and thank you for, you know, for everything.